So, good morning, guys. First thing in June. Got another little video for you guys. Two daughters awake, watching their TV. I guess everybody's been doing this. I got a little something for y'all. So, I did a little thing last night. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on, I just walked outside. My daughter's crying. She wants to come. Let's see. What? Ariel, I'll be right back. Yeah. Ariel. You wanna come stand aquí? Okay, they wanna come. Okay, I'll stand up right here. Stand up right there. So I'm gonna show y'all a little something here as soon as I open this up. Ooh, it's a little bright. Yeah, it's a little bright.
Papi,
Here.
this is a television.
Okay, yeah. This is what I wanted to show y'all. I'm gonna join the Me Too. Like I said, everybody's been doing this. You know, calling it out, oh, I did a little thing. So, this is what my wife and I did last night. You know, shout out to Tejas Toyota. They took care of me really good. Got the I get the TRD Blackout Edition. Get the 4-wheel drive. Yeah, there she is. You know, I bought this thing to pull my bass boat when I get it. You know, I'm gonna have to hold off on buying a bass boat. I needed the vehicle first. You know, I could have pulled it with my old truck, but it's not 4-wheel drive, and the boat launches around here are kind of steep. So I'm gonna need a 4-wheel drive. I know people are gonna say, oh, you got the V8 truck right there, but this 4Runner only comes with the big V6. It might not have enough power, but should do just fine. It's rated for 5,000 pounds tow capacity. You know, bass boats, only about 2,000 pounds. Should do just fine. Oh, let's see, open her up. You know, got the tan leather seats. There you go, 68 miles. 4-wheel drive. It's got all kinds of bells and whistles. Traction control, A-track. You know, already got the booster seats in there for my two little girls. But, yeah, that's it. I'll keep this video short. I think people like short videos more than they like long videos, so appreciate you guys watching. Look forward to my next video. I don't even know what my next video is gonna be yet, but we'll think of something and upload something. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching.